It's time, it's time, it's time. It's going to be time. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, oh man. Wow. Oh boy. Joy, okay. Boy, you got 14.
Okay, and Jayhawk is playing Westfield next week. Right down. And the background you two man, this is hard. I know, my girl, Jimmy, take it over. Dang it! Hey, hurry up. No, my camera is.
Why you doing filming? You didn't film the new bird?
I have.
Oh, you ain't got nothing on him.
Oh, here.
Really?
Yeah, I just edited. Oh.
What are you, that is you?
It's can't. Okay, I got. Okay, I have. No, do it.
Oh, wait a minute. I just asked you one thing. Slow down. Do what you're doing. Nobody gonna mess with you. I didn't know. I'm just trying to find out.
Dum. Okay. Whoopee! Wait. Oh, Ray? Second quarter? Go! Yeah, really, this is really crazy hard for old Jimmy to do this. You know, try to keep it both, both of his favorite stuff down as well, Lord. I mean, really, team 0%, really. Okay, stop racing. Ah! Big game must have hurt some golden eagles. Hurt them real bad. Sure do. Oh, Lord. Yeah, oh! My goodness. Okay, play clock. Hurry, guys. No, don't do that! Switch. Oh yeah, switch. Yeah, really, we got to switch. Yay! Nothing for them and one for us. Oh, Lord. Okay, all right. Rewind? Come on, see the remote. I got it. Okay, well, at least I got the replay. Okay, go. Ew. Well, Southern Miss is going to have their first lot today, hopefully.
Yeah.
Come on, you guys. Come on. You try getting, trying to do it, Jayhawk. That girl being out here. Like he weighs like 60 pounds. No, he doesn't. I don't know how much he weighs. I don't know how much he weighs. Ow, that hurts. Rubbing against the wood floor. You hit a little bird leg. Stick to it. Horrible. Stick to it too. Wait, come on. Go. First down. Ooh, the happy gigantical Jayhawk, yes I am. Yes I am. Happy, real happy. Second one. Okay. First down. Hey, Mom. Yeah, hi, Mom. What's that tattoo on your face? Oh, you. Thank you. Hey. This will be funny. Yeah. Look, I've been wearing a few seconds. Almost ready. Oh, man. Ah. This isn't funny. Yes, it is. Oh. Yeah, Jimmy D's mom was going to have a walk-a-thon. And she threw her shirt and those put it on me. And? and. You look funny! Look like Big J. And there you go! Yay! I believe I was a beta! Now both of the voices on at the same time. Dog up. And I'm going to have a comic about these two guys at the end of this weekend, promise? Let's score. Yeah, sure, score! Did you ever go stop? Alright, you two, not switching just yet. You're nice. You got the score. Here, keep together. Touchdown, touchdown! Touchdown, touchdown! I'm happy today. Step hyped up on sugar and lollipops. Woo! No, sugar, lollipops, and touchdown. And it feels both, babe.